Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an SEO expert and run a Google partner company. We provide different digital marketing solutions, and in case if you need one such solution, the link is in the description of this video to get started. So today I have an interesting and amazing question with me. Let's get started on this without wasting any time, and that is, hello Ali Raza. Quickie question: is it helpful to register a business with Google My Business if it's only online, no offline location? Will it help from SEO perspective? Okay, so let me be honest with you that yes, you can create Google My Business profile even if your business do not have a physical outlet. There are certain scenarios where Google can allow you with Google Search Console, email verification. There are different options available through which you can register it. And the question is regarding, will it be helpful from SEO perspective? Not only from SEO perspective, it will be helpful as a business perspective as well, because you are going to get more business, more leads, because you're going to have a new listing over there. So which is why first of all I recommend you to have it, even if it's a business perspective. Now when it comes to SEO perspective, yeah, you will be shown in the local search results. So in case if your service, even if it's a virtual service or do not have a physical location or do not require a customer to visit you physically, even still then you are going to be shown on local search results, which is going to optimize you for a particular area where you have registered in Google business, like with the service area where you are providing your service. So which is why you're going to get benefit for that as well. So that is an SEO perspective. Like you are going to get a tropical authority as well, but yeah, you need to optimize your profile for local SEO, so then you can get improved results, ideally for local SEO as well as for even for general SEO. It's going to be helpful as well. So which is why not only for local SEO but a general SEO, it's also be going to be beneficial. So I do definitely recommend you that in case if it's possible, definitely get your business registered in Google My Business. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Thank you.